Hey guys, my name's Dora. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wax pot, a simple, convenient, and very effective way to scent your entire house. Choose whichever wax that you want. I chose 10 ounces of Comfort Blend paraffin wax because it has a great scent throw, and 6 ounces of soy wax to harden it up a bit. For 1 pound of wax, for standard scent, add a half an ounce of fragrance oil. For double scent, add 1 ounce. And for triple scent, which is what I'm doing here, add 1.5 ounces. This is the same idea as wax warmers, but warmers don't compare to this wax pot's scent throw. Warmers continuously put out a bit of scent for a small area, whereas this pot quickly releases substantially more scent that fills my entire kitchen, dining, living room, and hallways. I like to use this wax pot if I have company or if I'm cleaning or right after I cook something that leaves behind an odor, especially fried foods. Normally I use sweet fragrance oils like warm vanilla sugar or birthday cake, so usually right around this time my son runs in the kitchen and he always asks what I'm baking, and you should see his poor little face when he realizes it's not food but just wax on the burner. Anyway, this time I used warmer earthy scents like teakwood, sandalwood, birch, vanilla. It smells wonderful. And here's the best part, it's reusable, like up to 30 times reusable. After several uses, feel free to add more fragrance oil to the pot. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy creative DIY inspiration, you should subscribe. Stay updated with weekly videos including fresh ideas and fun projects.